Welcome to this video, where I will show you how to enable microphone permission for the Viber app on your Android phone. If you are having trouble making voice calls or sending voice messages in Viber, this simple guide will help you fix the problem quickly and easily. First, locate the Viber app icon on your Android phone. Once you find it, press and hold the icon until a menu appears. Next, tap on the option labeled App Info to open the app's settings. After that, tap on the Permissions option, which will display a list of all permissions that Viber can request. After that, tap on Microphone. Choose Allow Only while using the app to make sure Viber can use your microphone during calls and voice messages without having constant access in the background. Finally, close the settings and open Viber to test the microphone by making a quick voice call or sending a voice message to a contact. By following these steps, you can ensure that Viber has the microphone access it needs for clear communication, while keeping your privacy protected.